Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. What was discussed in the previous analysis the pair has done this week. After a bullish pin bar, the price returned back close to 1.16187 and from there turned back down and reached 1.14748. The fall down from 1.16187 was strong, but the price stopped on the 1.14748 support. Wednesday was the day when the price reached that level. The drop was strong with around 150 pips pip range. Looking on the pip range table for EURUSD, we can see that the drop was stronger than the average pip range that EURUSD usually has. That tells me that the pair was pushed strongly down by the sellers. The week ended below 1.14748, which tells me that the support is not strong here. The pair had no problems breaking below, which gives me more confidence the pair will continue its move down. Let's see what will happen the next week. As always, the best is to wait until Monday ends, because it is a day when the market is preparing for the rest of the week. After that, I am expecting the price to continue moving down. The first support is around 1.14000, which was support for the price in the past. The price could stop for a while and make a retrace back to 1.14748 before finding more sellers to continue with the push down. After that, the price has stronger support at 1.13000. Around 1.13000, the price will find support where I am expecting a reverse back to 1.14000. The pair has moved outside of the downtrend channel, which means more selling pressure has entered into the market. I am bearish oriented, as I was in the last couple of weeks, so I am waiting for a trace back to 1.14748 to enter into the trade. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!